so much stuff that is really up here to find, but we're gonna be looking anyway. Oh, whoa, what's that? Right when I said there wasn't anything to find. I think there's like a can of like a gas, like one of the hydrogen dioxide cans or something. That might be, what is that? Oh, I think it's a fire extinguisher. Yeah, it's a fire extinguisher. I bet these people are going to be like, what is that dude doing with a huge box on his chest? It's got a GoPro. It's not huge. And you're weird. Yeah, I hope you guys can see that. There we go. Let's go take a better look at this thing. Get out of people's fishing. Oh, whoa, there's a big old crab hole. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this thing? I don't know what this is. I'll find out. There's not much stuff here because the currents swept it all away. Well, in the water, there's not. It's not like a river or something. Ah, frick. Flies. I think this will be a good spot. Okay, I have no idea what this thing is. It's metal, I think. What is it? It might be wood. It's painted pink. Oh, bees are stinging me. It's got like a thing in the middle. This looks like a weight. It's gonna get rid of it. I don't care. And here's a fire extinguisher right here. I have a fire extinguisher. I think it's already been used, which could mean there's something back here somewhere. So as you can see, it doesn't spray anything out. I'll see you guys when I find something else. Okay, this is actually really interesting, and I hope this is not dangerous because I have no idea what this is. And it's like it's really tiny. All right, so it's brown and it's light brown near the I guess you could call it equator for this Earth, like the center part of it, and then it gets really black. It almost looks like a clam. Cause I believe it is a clam. It looks like it can open its mouth. So I'm gonna have to see if I can pry it open with something. If it's a clam. Bring it over here to this piece of wood. Be right here. Maybe a nut of some kind. If you guys know what this is, leave it in the comments below. We'll shove it in here for now. Okay, this is getting really weird. I see a bucket, a bunch of interesting things you can check out, but I'm just, this is really weird because it smells like there's a dead fish or some sort of something because it's really smelly here. It's weird. Why is there a pine cone at the beach? Okay. Nice little, what is this, fish sauce? It says Fan Feet Hukan Kua. I don't know, some foreign language. Crab brand fish sauce. Huh. That's weird. Okay, this is actually really cool. This might be the second. I think that the fire extinguisher is the coolest thing we found, but we have minced garlic and what I presume is some sort of homemade crab trap. It's buried in the sand, so I have no clue. Okay, I might be able to get it up. It's so heavy. Sand on it. Oh crap! Oh my gosh, that scared me to death. There was the sand moving in it, and it looked like there was like a huge monster in it, and it scared me to death, and I almost had a heart attack. I think it's like a homemade, ow, first cut me. It's like a homemade crab trap or something. It's like an old net or something. Crab trap. That's cool. Okay, I gotta check this out real quick. This is actually awesome. This might be it. The coolest thing I found yet. This is something you don't want to find on the beach. This is like one of the oil things that are on the oil ships. There's nothing in it, I believe, but sand. And it's like a little hole right there. A filter. I'm gonna go check this. Oh wait, there's a shoe over there. I'll check this out and check that blue thing out. Then I'm gonna go to the other side. Looks like somebody lost their shoe. That's not good. I'm not gonna touch it because it looks nasty. It's a pink, weird looking shoe thingy-majiggy. Alright, I'm gonna go see this thing and then I'm gonna head back. Okay, this is by far the coolest thing I found yet. I was on my way to the blue thing, and this is actually really disturbing. There is these are bones. This is a dead crane. There's feathers all over it and stuff. It's a rib cage. There's like, get my shadow out of the way. It's really nasty. There's feathers all over it. It's disturbing, and I think the blue thing. Look, that's what you get, smart water. I think it's just a container of, there's a Mountain Dew and there's like a gas container. More smart water. Stupid. Oh, it's full. That's what you get for being stupid water. Yeet. Bye, smart water. Deserved it.